For the people who don't know me, I'm Reese, and today I'm going to tell the story of customer intimacy and knowledge transfer at i3CONNECT. With the Academy, we're trying to help with customer intimacy so people can learn how to use their product right from 0 to 1, from pressing the on button to using the core functionality apps. And on the support self-service approach, we are trying to help our customers get to the knowledge they need as quickly as possible. The reason why this is valuable is because around 70% of people would rather solve the problem themselves than have to talk with a human being. This is because you would solve your problem almost immediately instead of waiting for tickets to go by, go back and forth, finding out more information. In that way, you are done quicker, happier faster, and everyone's time is saved. So to start, let's talk about the Academy. The Academy has had a lot of growth since we released it last year during a sales event. Cortex has gone online in all of our languages. With Elm 2, we've added a bundle approach. Normally, Elm 2 teaches you about the screen, but if you actually want to know how to use your Elm 2, you also have Studio and you also have Cortex. These courses are now put together as a single bundle, and you see them on the front page. This helps our users get to the information they need without any problem. Next to that, the Academy has a function for tenders, namely group orders. Group orders allow a management team outside of us to manage seats and assign seats to their people for the Academy. For those of you who have followed a course, you will see that we have a questionnaire at the end of each of the courses. This questionnaire gathers a whole bunch of responses that allow us to optimize courses or learn where things could be improved, where there might be mistakes, and we look into those and fix them. And with that, we go over to the second project that we were doing, the support self-service. With two companies merging and a third coming out, we essentially had two different support centers, one for i3 Technologies and i3CONNECT, and one for C-Touch. We have managed to put together all of the knowledge bases in one location and merge both of the support centers in one location. And this one location is support.i3connect.com. You can also go to our main website, i3-connect.com, and you can press on the support button. You might also notice that the warranty extension has been moved here as well. When you press on the support button, you go to support.i3-connect.com. In here, we have a general question field, and all of our products, including our legacy products, our software, our mounts, accessories, warranty, deliveries and returns, and tech updates. Below that, we have 3 basic forms. We have also shrunk down the related resources to just one, where you can download all your firmware simply by typing in the name of the product and then being able to download it with the instructions for that firmware. And at the bottom of the page, we have included the telephone numbers of our different locations, for which we have many. So in the search bar up here, we can type in Aspen 4, for example. We could even say we want the Aspen 4 data sheet. And here we have product brochures and specification data sheet for Aspen 4. And then from here, you can actually just click on the PDF and view it in the browser, like so. Now, let's say you found this valuable. You can then also mark this article as helpful or not helpful and tell us why. Or you can say, I actually need help with this, and you can raise a request from here. Now, if you're logged in, you can type in a question here, and that question will be answered by an AI agent or a flow. Now, to give you an idea of what a flow is, before I go into the AI agent, we will type in, for example, how do I change the language to Spanish on my Elm 2? When I do this, the virtual agent will recognize what I'm trying to ask and then give me a dedicated process. So for example, it says here, are you looking for language help? So yes. Do you wish to change the language of this support portal or the language of the display? Or I meant the display. All right, so this article should help you change the language and location. And then I go to an article which tells me how to do that in the studio experience. Let's look at the forms that you use to enter in a ticket. So let's say we're having trouble getting a touchback response from our laptop. I am not getting touch responses with my laptop connected. Then I get here some titles. So troubleshoot no responses, touchback with all-sync transmitter. And right there I get how to fix this problem. But the support portal actually does more than just find the page or walk you through a flow. It also has a built-in AI agent. If I were to ask how many HDMI ports does Elm 2 have, you'll see here, chat with the team's virtual service agent, or up here, ask the virtual service agent by pressing enter. And what this will do is it'll allow our AI agent to look through all of our written documentation, including our PDFs. And it has found that Elm 2 has 3 HDMI ports, specifically HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, as indicated in the touch mapping information provided. So I press here, and there we have the examples of how touch is mapped to HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and HDMI 3. And in this way, it has managed to answer the question of the person, as well as give a good resource for you to look at. These changes are really beneficial to our customers. And so we will be sharing a lot of this information through marketing campaigns in the coming months, where we share, hey, these are new Academy courses. Hey, we have the support articles for these and these products up. Have you seen the new support page? Have you tried out our AI agent? And through this marketing channel, we want to create awareness for our support and Academy platforms. This will help our support team deliver a better support, which of course is everything that we want at this company.